Welcome to your Isuzu UTE Quick Tips Guide to getting the most out of your infotainment system. Let's set up Android Auto in the Isuzu D-MAX. Before we begin, ensure your car is safely parked with the handbrake on and the ignition set to accessories. Android Auto is your smart driving companion, compatible with most Android-powered smartphones running Android OS 5.0 and up. To connect to Android Auto by USB, simply plug into the USB port and connect to your phone. Touch Android Auto on the menu screen. Read and agree to the caution screen if it appears. To connect to Android Auto wirelessly, firstly ensure your Android smartphone's Wi-Fi setting is on. On your phone, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi and toggle it on. Now on the System Settings screen, touch Android Auto Setting, then Connected Devices. Touch Search. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and select Car Audio. Ensure both the unit and the phone display the same code, then touch Pair on your phone, followed by OK. The Android Auto screen will appear. This initial setup is only needed the first time. It'll automatically connect in the future. To use Google Assistant, press and hold the voice recognition button on the steering wheel, or say, "Okay Google, call John Smith." Now you're set to enjoy a safer smartphone experience while driving thanks to Android Auto and the Isuzu D-MAX. For more information on the features of the D-MAX, visit isuzuyute.com.au.